Hello there. This is Michael Pucciarelli, creator of Still Life Photography Michael Pucciarelli YouTube channel. And tonight I'll be talking about a new LED light that I will be using. It is called the Nanlite LumiPad 11. It's a nice soft LED light, and it comes, of course, with the LED light. It comes with a hot shoe you can place like a stand. You could also mount this on a camera hot shoe. The battery is very powerful. So you can just mount it, on the camera stand. You can adjust the Kelvin temperature, you adjust the power. This is one way to use it. There's another way to use it. Take this off. Is to mount this on a stand. It fits any 3/8 stud, standard stud stand. And, I could raise the stand if I want to, light paint something high. And make sure it's on tight. So light painting a car, I can go like this. So it looks at a Godox lighting stick. It comes with a charger. The only thing it doesn't come with a case, but you can buy one cheap. So this is a good light. It's a nice soft LED light. And make sure you check out my other YouTube video on the E-Tac LED flashlight. And I'm also I created a new playlist section for landscape information, because that's how I started photography, as a landscape photographer. And then I did still life around 2015. So thank you for listening to this short tutorial on new, LED lights. A nice, powerful LED light. It'll make a great addition to your still life and regular light painting. So thank you for listening. Maybe consider liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel, Still Life and Landscape of Michael Pucciarelli. Thank you for watching.